Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Part A, there are 9 sigma bonds, 6 CH, 2 CC, and 1 from the C double bond O, plus 1 pi bond. P2V2 with V total equals 6.00 liters, P acetone equals 1.28 atmospheres times 4 liters over 6 liters, which is 0.8. 0.500. Part CI. The strongest interaction is a hydrogen bond between the oxygen in acetone and a hydrogen in water. Part CI. The walls, Part D. In trials 2 and 3, having the acetone concentration while keeping other concentrations constant halves the rate, 16.6 times 10 to the negative 6. Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.